So right now, I'm going to the store to buy some cups because I'm about to prank my sister tonight. I don't know how many cups I should buy, but Nicole coming too, and we gonna do this prank.
Get in, Clark. We're going shopping.
What are we getting? Turn on the light. Oh. What are we getting?
Some cups.
What are we doing with them cups?
We're gonna kill your sister with some cups.
Woo! So I got 200 cups. See some silly string and I'm like, bet, say less. I'm finna do something with that. And I got a blowhorn. My sister's gonna kill me. She's gonna be so mad. So I'm about to, so I'm in the kitchen right now. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to move him into her room. That's gonna be a process without waking her up. I'm kind of scared, low key, cause I don't want her to wake up. But we gonna do this. I've been waiting to do this for the past 2 days. I'm gonna get her so good.
Two hours later.
What?
Stop! You're gonna clean this shit up. Clean this shit up.
What?
Clean this shit up.
Clean what up?
Bro, why?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Do it again.
You better put it up. You
Got a little mad.
big man.
Some people try, but they can't find the magic. Others get down.